Today, we will discuss one of the most eye-catching cars in 2025, the Lexus LC 500 Convertible. This car is a perfect blend of power and luxury, with an elegant and futuristic design and a powerful and dynamic engine. Let's take a closer look at what makes this car so special. Lexus LC 500 Convertible is a coupe car with a 5.0-liter V8 engine that can produce up to 471 horsepower and 398 lb-ft of torque. The engine is paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission that offers smooth and seamless gear shifting. The car can accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in about 4.4 seconds, or have a maximum speed of 168 miles per hour. The car is also equipped with a new adaptive suspension system that provides driving comfort as well as maintaining a sporty driving ability. One of the most prominent features of this car is its lightweight and soft roof, which gives a sleek silhouette, as well as giving you a stunning driving experience. You can open or close the roof easily by pressing a button on the dashboard or using your smart key. The roof also has an advanced sound insulation system, which keeps the cabin quiet and comfortable even when you drive at high speed. The interior of this car is very luxurious and spacious, designed to provide maximum comfort and convenience to the driver and passengers. The seats are made of premium leather or have cooling and heating features. The dashboard has been renovated with a new infotainment system and a touch screen that provides easy access to various functions such as audio, climate control, and navigation. The car also has a premium audio system, wireless charging for mobile devices, and a new digital rear-view mirror. The car is available in two trim levels, LC 500 and LC 500H. LC 500 has a V8 engine, while LC 500H has a hybrid system that combines a 3.5-liter V6 engine with an electric motor. LC 500H can accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 4.7 seconds, producing 354 horsepower. Both trim levels are equipped with various features, including a premium audio system, speed control with adaptive settings, lane departure warning, and automatic emergency braking. LC 500 also has 21-inch wheels, while LC 500H has 20-inch wheels. Lexus LC 500 Convertible is a car that offers an extraordinary driving sensation with a captivating style and impressive performance. This car is one of the most awaited releases in the automotive world, and we are sure you will fall in love with this car. If you are interested in finding out more about this car, you can visit the official Lexus website or contact your nearest Lexus dealer. Thank you for watching our video, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more information about other great cars.